Hey dolls, so I am coming to bring you dolls the easiest, fastest install of my life. Like, this is so fast. The lace blends flawlessly, and can you believe I don't have any spray, any glue, any gel, any nothing on? Like, I could literally lift the wig up, but it blends in so good. And I didn't tint the lace beforehand, so if that's what you think, you know. So stay tuned for the tips on how I installed this wig glueless, really fast and easy. And yeah, these wigs and others are part of my glueless wig beginner friendly series, where I show you dolls how to install wigs really easy, not all of the extra steps that I normally do, and they're also all gonna be installed glueless. So yeah, get ready for the ride. Okay dolls, so this hair is from Hurela-Hair. This is the box, and this is the items that came inside. I got quite a few items. So I got some wig caps. I think they sent both kinds because they do have like a newer version of a wig cap. I don't know, it's called the same. Oh no, it's not. This one is called a Dream wig cap. I didn't use it, but it is like way more thin, if you can see that, versus the other wig cap. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out eventually. And then they also sent a headband in the snake print. I also sent this wig melting band in a leopard print. Super cute. It's just basically like an elastic band with the velcro on the back, so it's easy to put on when you're melting down your lace, which we didn't have to do, but that's super cute. Definitely going to be using that. And then they also sent a makeup brush, which is cute as well. Like, super cute. I love when they send little gifts. And then I also got some lashes, and then I also got a pink bonnet. So that's everything that came in the box, as well as the wig was in a plastic bag, of course. So this hair is a 24-inch. I'm not sure of the actual color, but of course I will have it listed down below. But it is like that piano style highlighted wig. You can really see, you know, like color, like different colors, more of like that piano effect, which I think is really pretty. So I really wanted to showcase it and just wear the hair straight. I didn't put any curls in it. I did flat iron it, you know, beforehand, because it's just flat ironing. But yeah, stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see me install it. And I think it turned out really good. It's nice and flat, and it's just really fast and easy. Like, let me fix it a little bit. Okay dolls, so this is how the wig looks after I have straightened it. I did also pluck and bleach the wig. You can see the inside and everything like that. If you don't know how to bleach or pluck, some companies do also offer that service. So if you are a beginner, you can also go ahead and add that on to whatever wig you are purchasing. So this is how the wig is looking. I'm just putting it on to show y'all how it looks with the lace and everything like that. And I was like, yo, I just got an idea. Let me do like some different glueless wigs and do a little series on how you can install your wigs really easy and not take all of those extra steps that I would normally take, because those are not like super beginner friendly. Okay, so I did go in and cut the lace off. I did that off camera because all you really have to do is, you know, focus, take your time, and just cut off as close to the hairline as possible without cutting off the actual hair, and just follow the hairline of the wig without cutting off the hair, if you know what I mean. Like, it's really easy to do it. So now I was like, let me just do a middle part, and since I straightened the hair, it'll look really cute with just a nice bust down part. No baby hairs or anything like that. I'm trying to keep it really simple for y'all. So I just went in and put a part down the middle of the hair, and then I used the clip to section off one side so it will be out of my way. And then I'm just taking my hot comb and running it along the parting area to just flatten this area out, because even though we're doing it really simple and not gluing the wig down or anything like that, we still wanted to give that melted effect, and we still don't want it to just look like a wig, if you know what I'm saying. So definitely I recommend that you still get a hot comb even if you're a beginner. But if you don't have a hot comb and you're just starting off, I definitely could have showed y'all this, but you can use like a wrapping mousse or even just water in a spray bottle and just spray the area down, and then go ahead and tie it down and let it set into place. And that way you can skip the hot comb. The hot comb is just faster, and I feel like most of y'all already have a hot comb anyways. But if you don't, you can also use a regular curling iron that has a clip, or you can use a curling one to just really get the top part nice and flat. The only difference is it doesn't have a comb, so it's not going to be able to go through the hair and lay, you know, the rest of the hair down that's underneath it. So yeah, after I do that, I'm going to go in with my wax stick. You can use some hairspray or oil if you don't have a wax stick. I definitely recommend adding a wax stick to your wig bag or whatever it is that you like to keep all of your items in when you do wigs. I have a little makeup bag that I like to keep all of my stuff in that I use for my essentials whenever I am installing a wig. So a wax stick is definitely something else that I would add to the list. So I'm just going to put the wax stick on and then work the hot comb through the hair to get it nice and melted. And my baby had brought me her dolls, so I just showed y'all on camera. So now I'm going to take this powder and just apply it to the front part where the lace is at so that it can melt into my skin a lot better. I did not tint the lace beforehand like I normally do. I usually use my even spray on the inside of the wig to tint the lace. You can kind of see where the actual wig cap starts. So I am going to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm just going to put this on as well. I believe I have all of the items linked in my Amazon store that I use like on my wigs. So if you are looking to get like a hot comb, or I don't know if I added the powder, but I will go in and add that for y'all just in case you can't find it at your beauty supply store. And I'll also add the Ruby Kisses as well. And I don't know if I have the wax stick on there, but I'll go ahead and add everything else to my Amazon store for y'all if you are interested in picking up the items that I am actually using. So after I do that, I went in and put a little bit more of my wax stick, and also in the front after I used the concealer or foundation, I did put a little bit more powder. So now you can see how the wig actually looks. Like, how fast was that? Like, y'all, this is the fastest install I ever did in my life, like literally. And you can see how it looks. It looks really good in the back and everything. You can do a trim, curls, whatever it is that you want to do. So yeah, stay tuned for the outro and I'll give y'all some more info. Okay, dolls, so here's the completed look of the hair. I think it turned out really good, and it was just so fast and easy to install. Like, I can't even believe I did it so fast. But I definitely did cut the lace off camera, and I didn't cut it on my head. I took the wig off and cut the lace off because I feel like it's just easier, and you get more of a jagged kind of cut with it. And definitely recommend that y'all go and pick up this product because this is definitely what blended it in perfectly. So this is the Red by Kiss Tinted Lace Wig Powder. Also, of course, the lace is really nice also, you know, for it to even get this melt. But this does come, I believe it only comes in 3 colors. They may add more eventually, but I have the number 1 color, which is the light warm brown, and it works out good for me. I have a tan right now and it still works fine. If anything, I feel like it works a little better now that I have a tan. But yeah, so this is really cool. It is basically kind of like a powder foundation, but it is made for wigs. So I don't know what the formulation is, but I don't have to go in and spray it down with a spray or any mousse or anything like that to kind of get rid of that powdery, you know, flashback kind of look on my wigs. It just melts in perfectly. So I really like this, and it smells really good. Also, it kind of has like a coconut beachy kind of smell. So pick this up, y'all. Like, I have this one that I have been using, and I haven't, you know, even got close to hitting pan, but I already bought it back up because I really love this stuff. Not sponsored, by the way. I just think that it works really good, and it, you know, really blended this wig in where I didn't have to use any type of spray or adhesive or anything like that with this wig. So it turned out so cute. And to flat iron this hair, I did use my Babyless flat iron on like the highest temperature, so it definitely got it super straight and pretty. Now this hair would also be really cute with some curls in it, you know, put some layers, whatever. But I just wanted to show the wig kind of more so how it comes, other than the fact that I did bleach the knots and also pluck the wig. So yeah, this is it. And if you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.